Hi, my name is Anthony Oparocha. I am a technician, and we are into electric fence, CCTV cameras. As it is, you all know that insecurity is the order of the day at this present time. So you need to install electric fence in your living place, schools, offices, and any other place. Besides that, we are experts in installing CCTV cameras. We also do electric installations, both conduit and surface, for your new buildings. We also do maintenance. Besides that, we do satellite installations like TV, Nilesat, Hispasat, etc. We also do inverter and solar system. We are just a phone call away from you in any part of this country. Call us on phone on 090-3300-8856 and 070-844-35962. Thank you.